Hello everyone, my name is ASWIN MURALI. So today I am going to demonstrate my lab 10 experiment of interfacing subject. So my objective for today is to run a 8-bit mode LCD circuit in such a way that it have to be programmed with a C program that continuously display PIZ18F458 centered on the top line of the LCD and centered on the second line. The LCD displays a counter that counts from 0 to 50 with a 0.5 second delay in between each of the number displayed, and once the count reaches 50 it should roll over and start counting again from 0. And when the onboard button is to stop and start the count, that is when it is pressed, it should freeze the number. So I will explain to you the connections that I had made here. So firstly the components required. So here I had used a 8-bit mode LCD circuit, and this is my potentiometer, that's the 10K contrast that I had used there. And here is my PIZ18F458 microcontroller, and this is my big 3 kit, and let me connect to my laptop using this connection device and this USB cable. And when coming to the connections that I had made here the plus 5 volt that the on this common has been connected to the pin number 11 of our PIC18, and here you can see there are some pins are there. So for your convenience I will just go to this circuit. So the V0 pin of this LCD display has been connected, it is the biasing voltage, and it is connected to the potentiometer, that is to the second pin of the potentiometer, and the pin number 1 and 3 of the potentiometer is connected to the resistors, and here the pin number 1 goes to the plus 5 voltage, and the pin number 3 goes to the ground. And here there are some 16 pins are there on our LCD 8-bit board, so each have its own function. So here firstly the RS of the LCD has been connected to our PIC18 microcontroller to the RB0 on the port number 33, and the enable pin has been connected to the RB2, that's the pin number 35 of our PIC controller, and the display numbers, that's the pins for the data from D0 to D7, they are connected to the corresponding pins from RD0 to RD7 of our PIC18 microcontroller. And here there is a resistor that has been given here, and it is connected to the pin number A. It is the resistor that gives the power supply to this backlight. So I had connected it to the 5 volt to by a current limiting resistor to prevent the excess current from making some trouble to our display. So that's the connections that we required for that. And the pin number 4 and here there is one pin, that is the RW pin is being grounded here. So let's go to the programming that I had done here. So I had already done a program, so let's go to the MB lab. So this is the program for today. I am just going to build that. So build the has been succeeded. So let's connect our microcontroller, that's PIC3, to that. So I go to program and select PIC3, and I will just ensure its connection. So PIC3 has been connected. So let's write our program into the microcontroller. So now I will just focus my camera to this display. So currently you can see it has been counting from 0 to it will count up to 50, that you can see. Let's check that whether it is counting to 50. So it is counting with a 0.5 second delay. So it's 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and our first object is completed. It start again counting from 0. So now I will just press on our onboard button to check whether the display freezes when we press on this button. So I pressed here, and it has been here you can see 29 has been freezed, and when I release that it start counting again. And I will do one more time. I had pressed here, it's freezed, and when I release it is again counting. So when coming to the display, the potentiometer, as I mentioned earlier, it is for maintaining the contrast. So I will just show it's working also. So when I can adjust it by changing the potentiometer, the contrast. So now right now we can visible, it is visible. So now it's not visible. So it is up to our eye comfort that we can maintain its contrast. So that's all for the lab. Thank you.